大家好，我是 Javed 老师. Today we are going to learn 12 most essential phrases in Chinese for beginners. Please make sure to repeat after me and take note of the most useful phrases for you. So let's get started. First one is I love you. 我爱你. 我 means I means love. 你 means you. 我爱你. In case that the reason you are learning Chinese is for romantic relationship. May 1 T. May means there isn't. 1 T means problem. No problem. No problema. May 1 T. May 1 T. 我喜欢. 我 means I. 喜欢 means like. 我喜欢. Here is a change in the tone because the rule is when two third tones come together, then the first one has to be changed as second tone. 我喜欢. I like it. 一点儿一点儿 To pronounce R, you just need to curl your tongue a little after you say 点. So, 一点儿 means a little. Next one is 祝贺你. Congratulations. 祝贺你. 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 How much? When we ask for the price, 多少钱? 多少 means how much, how many. 钱 means money. 多少钱? 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 那是什么? Na means that. 是 means to be. 什么 means what. Literally, that is what. 那是什么? 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 What is that? Next one is check please when we have to pay in restaurant. My tan. My means buy. Tan means the order, the bill. My tan. My tan. Han hao. Here is a change in the tone of han. It becomes han hao from han hao. Han hao means very good. Han hao. Then comes thank you very much. Muchas gracias. Shukran jazilan. 多谢. 多 means a lot. 谢 means thanks. Thanks a lot. 多谢. 多谢. You are welcome. De nada. 不客气，不客气，不客气。Now, hi, hello, hola, marhaba, ni hao means you good, literally. It sounds like a good wish for you. Here is a change in the tone of ni. It comes with second tone, ni, from ni, hao. It becomes ni, hao. These are the 12 most essential expressions to start with. 好的，谢谢你收看我的视频。Thank you very much. Muchas gracias. Shukran jazilan for watching my video.